In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables using Canva, a skill that's incredibly handy for organizing information visually in your projects. Whether you're designing a presentation, infographic, or any other graphic design, knowing how to add tables can enhance clarity and aesthetic. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to sign into your Canva account. Once you're in and have your design canvas in front of you, turn your attention to the left-hand side of Canva's interface where you'll see various tools and features. Here, you want to click on the Elements tab. This section contains a plethora of shapes, graphics, and yes, tables. Elements are the building blocks of your design, helping you to add creativity and functionality. After clicking on the Elements tab, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This search bar is an excellent tool when you know exactly what you're looking for. So let's type in table. Press enter or click the search icon and in an instant you'll be presented with multiple table options. These options range in style, size and functionality. Canva offers both simple and complex tables, so take a moment to consider what best fits your project's needs. Once you've scrolled through and found a table that suits your design, you simply need to select it. Canva makes this process incredibly intuitive. You can choose your desired table with a simple click and hold motion, dragging it onto your canvas. This drag and drop functionality makes it easy to position the table exactly where you need it within your design, ensuring your layout remains balanced and harmonious with other elements already in place. Now comes the fun part, filling in your table. Click on any of the cells in your table to begin typing. You'll notice it's quite similar to using a text editor. This feature is incredibly useful if you're inputting data or organizing thoughts directly within your design. Customizing the contents of your table is straightforward. You can type whatever you need into the cells. Don't forget to consider the alignment and font style as well, ensuring that your text matches the overall theme and style of your project. Remember, you can adjust the size of your table and its cells by clicking and dragging the borders. This flexibility allows you to make sure everything fits perfectly within your design. Tables can also be customized with colors and borders, adding yet another layer of personalization to your project. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated table within your Canva design. Not only have you added structure to your layout, but you've also enhanced its functionality and visual interest. With these steps, you can create informed, visually appealing designs that communicate your message effectively. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing!